I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by mounting a true macro lens. Do it now and lock the bayonet. Once attached, pick the one magnification so you capture life-size detail. This matters because crop affects depth of field and working distance. Set ISO low to control noise, then choose an aperture in the f/5. 6f/11 range to keep sufficient sharpness while managing background blur. Finally, enable a focus limiter or switch to manual focus if your subject is close to prevent hunting. You now stabilize. Mount the camera on a sturdy tripod, and if possible, use a focusing rail to nudge composition without moving the subject. Once stable, compose with your subject filling the frame but leave breathing room. Working distance matters. Too close and shadows or scaring the subject occur. Use live view and 5x or 10x magnification to check focus on the critical plane, then fine-tune manually. If depth of field is too thin, plan a focus stack sequence to merge later. You finish by controlling light. Use a diffused flash, LED panel, or reflector to evenly illuminate tiny subjects and preserve texture. Then trigger the shot with a remote release or a 2-second timer. Engage mirror lockup if your camera has it to eliminate vibration. After each frame, inspect sharpness at 100% and adjust if needed. If images remain soft, increase aperture one stop or perform focus stacking, add more controlled light, or raise ISO carefully as a...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.